almost done eating the jelly Ace. I almost ate half of it. Now there's two more left. I'm trying to open it. It just dropped. By the way, I'm almost grade 1.
Panasonic ba rin magkakaroon yung kuwan? Pagkali mo?
Oo, Panasonic chiller case.
Do you want me to eat the other one? Like if I should eat the last one.
Lagi ba yan ang model? Kato lang sa itom.
We can literally buy others. So this is my last video of eating jelly Ace. The other one is gonna be the last one, okay? Because we're gonna buy jelly. Ace.
Yan, ikman na food sa pikas.
Kaya ba, saka na ba?